Hello everyone. Today I'll teach you in under less than 3 minutes how to solve questions on enzyme inhibition related to Lineweaver burk plot. These plots are asked very frequently in exams and here's a trick to solve them. Starting with uncompetitive inhibition, the first letter U, you can write it like this where both arrows are pointing down and are parallel to each other. So in uncompetitive inhibition, Km and Vmax both will go down. In the graph also, both lines will not intersect each other and will go parallel to each other, just like the lines that are going parallel in U. Here you can see the Lineweaver burk plot for uncompetitive inhibition. Coming to competitive inhibition, the first letter is C. We can write it like K. K and C sound the same. So K with the arrow pointing up. This is to imply that Km will go up and Vmax will stay constant in competitive inhibition. Another trick here is you can see both lines of K crossing each other in the vertical line. So similarly, in competitive inhibition, when we draw the graph, you will see both lines intersecting each other in the y-axis. You can see the intersection here in the y-axis for competitive inhibition. Coming to non-competitive inhibition, the first letter N, we can write N like this with an arrow pointing down. The interpretation is that Vmax in this condition will go down. And as you have already seen, Km goes up in competitive and comes down in uncompetitive. So Km here stays constant. Another trick to remember is when you write the N like this, the arrow is pointing down towards the x-axis. So in this, we will have an intersection of two lines in the x-axis. You can see it here when we draw the graph. Both lines will intersect in the x-axis. Here's the graph for non-competitive inhibition. If you like the tricks, follow for more such videos.